Good evening, everyone. Before we start today's lesson, I would like to tell everybody that our today's outcomes. At the end of the class, other students will be able to greet in the target language by using hello, how are you, nice to meet you in Mandarin, and identify all this greeting vocabulary in both Pinyin and Chinese characters. Okay, welcome to Chinese language classroom. Before today's class, how much do you know about China? Think about this question. A lot of people know the logo of China is a dragon. Yeah, because red color and yellow color in China represent king, will give you good luck and power. And some people may mention about dumplings, the very famous and popular Chinese food. And here's a short video about China. I will just play the first 30 seconds.
The last hidden world, China. For centuries, travelers to China have told tales of magical landscapes and surprising creatures. Chinese civilization is the world's oldest, and today its largest, with well over 1 billion people.
Yeah, from this video we know China has the biggest population, now is 1.3 billion. And this two words, 中国, it represents China in Mandarin. Follow me, 中国. And this textbook we will be used throughout the whole semester. Here's the link. You can purchase the book on Amazon. The price can be as low as $5. Anyway, the book in China always much cheaper than here in US. 你好 is hello in Mandarin. We're gonna starting from this phrase. This short dialogue can be found in test 1. And I modify the names. I put my name, Liu Xiao, and another Spanish name, Pablo, here. 我是刘晓. 你呢? 你呢 means, what about you? 我是 means I am. I am Liu Xiao. Why I put Liu here, Xiao here? Actually, people all call me Xiao. Xiao is my first name. Liu is my last name. But in China, the order is different. We first use the family name, then given name. Because in China, we all think we have our family name first, then we have given name. But US, I know, different. 我是 Pablo. 你好 Pablo. 你好 Liu Xiao. This is a very simple dialogue. Students will group into 2 persons, 1 group. 1 student represent A, 1 student represent B. Then you guys can have a little practice. These are the names existing in the textbook. I won't explain too much. Just follow me, please. 陆雨萍, Li Bo, Ning Na. Ning Na is a girl. The other are boy. Here we separate the 你好 and try to explain a little bit. The black one represent initial. The yellow one represent finals. And this little head are tones. This 你好 characters. In Chinese, this pinyin, we call it pinyin, help you to pronounce characters. In the end, you will be able to pronounce the characters without looking at pinyin. That's our goal. We have 4 tones, but theoretically we have 5. Another one is very light. I will demonstrate. First tone is ah, second tone is ah, a little bit high. First tone is highest. Ah. Second tone is from the low to up, climbing. Third tone is curves. First tone ah. Ah means cut something. Here I didn't write the zero tone. Zero tone is ah, very light. Here are the vocabulary initials in the textbook, and here are the finals in the textbook. And we're gonna practice the tone. I picked all the vocabulary we saw in the textbook and divide all the tones into 5. The zero tone ma, na, first tone wo, second tone ping, ling, third tone ye, yu, fourth tone lu, li. And this dialogue is literally I copy paste from the textbook. Let's just read the dialogue. 立波，你好，你好，陆雨平。Very simple. Just say hello to the names. You can change the order. First hello, then name, or first name, then hello. Here are grammar part. 你 means you. 好 means good. And students gonna listen to this audio from the YouTube. This audio is, the content of the audio is our textbook. I will just show you how this video looking like.
立波，你好，你好，陆雨平。
Just like this, very easy. I think all of you guys can practice at home. So after listening to this audio, we're gonna continue the whole dialogue to our textbook. We put ma here. 您那，你好吗？你好吗 means how are you? 我很好 means I'm very good. 你呢 means and you. 也很好 means also very good. 也 means also. So now there are 2 vocabularies are new. 很 very, 也 too also. 你好吗？你呢？也很好. These are 3 key phrases. Ma and ne are 2 different. They both are zero tone. Ma is in the end of a sentence expecting yes or no question. Ne is used for elliptical question. 你呢 means what about you? Here are the 3 key phrases. And now we would like all the students to do some practice. Go to textbook and turn to page 6. First do the spelling, then do the tones. And after that, conversation practice on page 7 and 8. And after class, I would like you all review what we learned and try to make the dialogue without a book. This is a reference for the PowerPoints. And thank you for coming. I wish you guys really enjoyed today's lesson.